Microsoft announces a bevy of software and hardware on today's event. We get new rumors on what to expect for the Galaxy S6, and Apple begins enforcing new app policies for developers. I'm Jaime Rivera, and we could have made this a Microsoft-only event, but we won't. We're nice like that. This is Pocketnow Daily. Yes, today is official news day, mainly Microsoft-based, but we're going to leave that for last. For obvious reasons, let's begin today with Apple. Specifically on iOS applications, we know the company made a big move to 64-bit processors with the iPhone 5S, and as of February 1st, developers are going to be forced to submit applications based on 64-bit architecture, whether they like it or not. But this is mainly for new applications going forward. Not sure how that's going to affect old applications once the 64-bit move becomes full with every iOS device, but we'll see what Apple does in days, weeks, and months to come. The only rumors that were interesting today had to do with the Galaxy S6, mainly because, first of all, we hear that the probable event on MWC will be on March 2nd for the reveal of the Galaxy S6. Great, but even more interesting, if you're wondering what new features come with this phone, actually what new features are going to be taken away, as reports claim that the Galaxy S6 will, number one, not be waterproof in any of its variant, even the Edge variant. And we don't know why. Probably because they plan to launch an active variant in the future. We'll keep you posted as we learn more. Okay, fine. Let's talk about Microsoft and everything that got announced at its event today. We're going to divide it in 3 segments. Let's begin with the launch of Windows 10 for mobile, or should we say the announcement. We don't have a technical preview yet. It will be available until February, as we talked about yesterday. But the coolest thing here really is that it's free. It'll be free for Windows 7 users, Windows 8 8.1 users for the first year, and obviously Windows Phone users. Now, interesting. We won't be able to give you a showcase of what's coming because, first of all, Microsoft was very scarce on everything that comes to Windows 10 for mobile. They showcased very little. They focused more on Office for mobile, which does bring dramatic improvements. But no, we don't hear about any hardware yet. Probably that will happen until MWC. Probably one of the bigger pushes at this event had to do with Cortana on the PC, mainly because it's not just going to be the same Cortana we have on mobile. It'll actually get smarter, bring context information from websites, and actually provide you with useful information. Like, for example, if you look for a website of a restaurant, it'll give you directions to it and its cuisine in addition to dietary information. But another major push had to do with the Xbox and how the Xbox will now allow you to play a console game that's on your console at your TV somewhere on your computer. So your kids could be playing Xbox games on the console while you play games on your computer on a separate display. Really cool new features coming to Xbox gaming, but we don't know what the limitations will be on hardware, etc., etc. We'll keep you posted as we learn more from this, probably at the Build conference happening in April. And finally, for the last hot news of the day, because everything today was hot, let's talk about 2 new Microsoft hardware products, starting with the new Surface Hub. This is pretty much the end of the whole Surface concept that was born with that big table years ago. The idea here is that you have an 84-inch 4K TV that is actually touch-based, stylus-based, voice-based, and everything-based. You can use it for conferencing. You can use it as a whiteboard that brings a new OneNote feature. You can integrate applications to it and manipulate applications from the hub that are right now sitting on your phone, which is extremely cool. Even though this is really more of an enterprise tool, it looks like something that'll cost anything close to $10,000 or more. But even cooler is the whole HoloLens concept. Microsoft showed us their Project B, which is really this HoloLens artifact which allows you to manipulate things in the air. You can actually touch things in the air. You can create projects and then print them through 3D. A lot of really cool features are coming to this HoloLens, though again, we don't know price points. We don't know usage scenarios, mainly because this looked like something that the NASA will benefit from, but not something that consumers could probably use initially. Obviously, that will depend on price points. What Microsoft mentioned will be affordable, in addition to, again, use case scenarios and so many other things. This is not Google Glass. This is so much better, but it leads me to the question of today. What was the hottest Microsoft feature for you announced today? Honestly, in my case, it could range from the whole Xbox integration with the PC to the fact that Windows 10 for mobile will allow you to actually use Microsoft Documents the way they're intended to. But leave us a comment down below. What is your case? Friends, yes, you know the drill. If you want to get the news earlier before this video is filmed, make sure you follow us on PocketNow.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.